Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Uh, this is Dee, coming to you with an unboxing. I'm so excited about this unboxing, guys. Um, Dooney, they take forever, and I know I said that I was gonna back up a little bit and work with what I had as far as my content, but I could not help it with this bag. So, a little backstory on the reason for this purchase. Um, Hydrangeas, they're my favorite flower. It's my wedding flower. It's the flower that I had for my centerpieces for my wedding. It's about to be 12 years. Um, it was my bouquet. If you looked at the Kiss Lock hydrangea video, the picture is a snippet of my bouquet. Um, so I absolutely love hydrangeas. And as you guys know, I'm fairly new to Dooney, so I had no clue that Dooney had a hydrangea collection. And when I started seeing the bags, I was like, oh man, I said, I don't think I want to do the bag. I just want to do some accessories. So that's when you've seen, if you haven't watched, I encourage you to go back and watch. I unboxed some hydrangea accessories to go with a few bags that I had. So I can kind of kill two birds with one stone. I can use those accessories with a lot of bags that I had. So I decided to purchase that. So, anywho, my love for hydrangeas, I really love hydrangeas and butterflies. Just to throw that in there. Um, I had a butterfly release at my wedding too. But I love the flower. So I kept watching and watching, seeing a few videos, not many. I saw a lot of the content on this bag on QVC because I don't see too many people with this. I saw the print, but not in this particular bag. I maybe found a handful of videos. So I knew that as soon as I got this, I wanted to bring it to you guys. I am super, super excited about this. Um, I was even tempted to get another one in a different background print, but I shut it down. So anyway, without further ado, any of you guys could guess what I know you guys know the print is hydrangea, but any of you guys can guess what kind of bag it is, put it down in the comments. So let's get this started. So this came from um I Love Doom. I actually caught this on the Mother's Day sale. When you put in mother, now it's actually cheaper. I got it for 130 something, but it's actually cheaper now. I think right now you can do the clearance, the code clearance, and you can actually get this bag for $109, y'all. 109? Yeah, I think 109. So let me kind of push this over a little bit. Yeah, oh my god, y'all. This is my slip. Yeah, I paid $131. And I think right now on the website with the clearance, got another one of these. Another one of these brochures. So any of you guys want to guess before I pull it out? I'm so excited. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Alright, so it is the hydrangea drawstring bag, y'all. It is so pretty. It is so big in person. I did not expect this bag to be this big. Oh my god. It is nice and roomy. It is, let's see, in the cream. So let's pop this baby open. It seems to be brand new. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God, this bag is so beautiful. Looking at this on QVC and seeing it in person does not do it justice. Y'all, it's gorgeous. And I was trying to see. They usually have what number it was, but I don't see that on here. But that's cool too. Y'all, oh my God, this bag is beautiful. Oh my God. It's so pretty. Oh God. Look at it. It's so pretty, y'all. If you had any doubts about pulling the plug on this, you should do it. This cream is so elegant and so beautiful. Look at those hydrangeas. Look at the pop on those hydrangeas. And I was listening to QVC, and they had like and I did get this from I Love Dooney. Don't get it twisted. I didn't get it from QVC, but that's where I've been getting all my info on it. They were talking about how wherever Dooney has its headquarters, um, there's hydrangeas outside of the building or wherever. They grow hydrangeas, and that's where they got the inspiration to get this print. Y'all, this is so beautiful. Oh my God. I'm in awe. The gold hardware just sits so pretty on this cream. Oh God. And let me tell you something. I never thought I would carry a drawstring bag. I never had a thing for drawstring. I'm like, nah, I don't want to do drawstring. I don't want to do drawstring. And when I saw how wide the strap was on here and how this bag appeared really huge on the models, so I was like, this bag is kind of big. It's, man, beautiful. And then you pull this off, man, gorgeous, gorgeous, y'all. Oh, I am going to show you guys what this looks like with all of my accessories, y'all. Oh my God, this is so bad to the bone. Oh, I love it. I love this. Oh my God, y'all. So beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh my God. Y'all. I am so obsessed with this bag. I might have to wear this bag all summer. I don't know. This bag is beautiful. I might have to wear it all summer. I am so freaking obsessed. And look at my little collection, y'all. Oh my God. I'm so in love. Dooney. I'm so in love. Oh, everything just matches so perfect. Oh my God. Do y'all ever have bags that's so pretty you don't even want to wear it? You're scared to even wear the bag? That's how I'm feeling about this. This is so gorgeous. Let me let you guys see in the inside. So I'm trying to see this strap. I'm gonna have to cut this. It has the key finder on it. And it has a different lining, y'all. It's not like your normal lining in here. It has a back zip pocket. Y'all can see that, and an open pocket underneath. Y'all can see inside of there. And it has the back zip pocket. And then on the other side, there's a big open pocket in the front of it. Oh, it smells so good. Jeez. Baby, look, I knew I'm not sending this sucker back. So the tags can come clean up off of this. This is a beautiful bag. Look at this thick strap. This is what's sewing me too. This is beautiful. A nice thick strap. Y'all, I don't want to hold y'all too long, so I'm gonna hurry and put this on here. Oh my God. I don't know if you guys can see. Look at that. I'll drink it. Y'all, I am so obsessed. Oh God. I am obsessed. This bag is gorgeous. So I am not gonna hold y'all long. This bag is gorgeous, y'all. I cannot wait to get into this bag. I'm gonna put my stuff up in here. Let me see if all of my hydrangea accessories can fit in here. I'm probably gonna take the straps off of some of this stuff. Uh-oh. Because I'm not going to wear any of these accessories as a wristlet right now. Just got to remember which one. I guess it doesn't matter which one goes on which, because I think they're all the same size. So everything kind of fits in here. Everything fits in there. I don't know if I would put my kiss lock in there. I don't know. I would have to see. But everything fits in. I'll have to fix it and straighten it out. But I am loving this bag to death, y'all. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Gorgeous. I am going to pull my little stuff out one more time. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. It is gorgeous. Get all the tags off my stuff. I am obsessed. Don't let the blue show. Turn the pink around. Look at that, y'all. So that is it, guys. If you guys have any questions or comments, y'all, this video is 14 minutes long. I'm truly obsessed with my bag. I am going to move in my bag tonight. I'm going to put some stuff in here tonight. So I appreciate you guys, all my subscribers. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming. Thank you for liking the videos. Just thank you for everything. I'm truly, truly enjoying this community. You guys are awesome. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you like these types of videos. Let me go enjoy my bag. Thank y'all for watching. Have a good night. Bye-bye.